Hello everyone, welcome to this channel Aaron Live 360. Today I'm gonna show you how to easily fix Rubik's Cube. At first, we need to know something about Rubik's Cube, especially about centerpieces. Centerpieces with one color, there are 6 centerpieces located in the center of each side. Centerpieces do not move and represent the color of their sides. And the colors are white, yellow, orange, red, green and blue. And one of the most important things that centerpieces colors are always opposite to each other. That means white opposite yellow, orange opposite red and green opposite blue. Okay, let's try how to fix Rubik's Cube. Okay, I'm going to shuffle the Rubik's Cube up. Okay, now we can choose any color. First, I'm gonna choose color green color I'm gonna choose. By the way, this is not my favorite color. First, we need to make a cross on here. See the cross? First step is finished now, and next step, look like this. We need to do like this, and we need to finish the the corners also. See, the red center portion is red and I want a green. How to fix that? Just like this. Yeah, we got this. And next one is other corner, just like this, down and right side up. Just one more as shown in this figure. Oh no, that's not the right thing. Just once more, the same shown in this figure. Yeah, we have 2 more left. Up, the green, mop, and the last one is yellow, just like this. Yeah, we got first stage. We finished the first stage, and also we finished the first layer too. And look at this, the center portions is right. We need to do like this. See this combination, orange and white. The orange one will be there and the white one will be there, just like this. Okay, continue the step as shown in the figure until all edges pieces are in the correct position. We need to fix this edge just like this, up and left, down and again left, face up. Done. See this? We got nothing happens on the down layers. The last one is shown in the figure. It will help you to fix the second layer. Here you go. We fixed 2 layers. Second layer we fixed. Nothing happened on the downs layer. And we need to fix on top side. See, we need to make a cross on first time. For at first, see how to twist like this as shown in figure. It will help you. Up, twist left, right face down, and top, left and right. Yeah, we got a L shape on there. Nothing happened on the down layer, and we need to make a straight lines. Next step, the same process. We will repeat the same process. And once more. Yeah. We made a cross on here, and we need to do another step. This one up, left and down, again left, up, just like twice, down. And the last and final step, it will finish the top side. Yeah, here we go. We fixed the top side. Nothing happened on the down layers. Yeah, and we need to finish the corners, fix the corners. Yeah, unfortunately the two colors are fixed. Automatically I'm gonna change that. Don't worry about this. Okay. See, the corners is not matching right now. We need to match the color. So do this step. Right face. Yeah, it's a little big one. It will help you to rotate a Rubik's cube. Down and back side twice. Up, face anti-clockwise, and back one more twice. Yeah. See, the one corner face is fixed, but the opposite side is not fixed. We need to do that one too. Repeat the process one more. Yeah, we fixed the corners. All corners are now it's right. And one more important thing, orange, green and blue, they're fixed. And the three more colors it's not at the right position. They're red, yellow and white. So this one will be twist anti-clockwise and clockwise. Here in the situation, we need to do an anti-clockwise as shown in figure. This is the last and final step. Twice, yes. Here you go. We fixed the Rubik's cube.